Hey guys, Fishy here, and I want to introduce you to Linda. Linda posts into Trump-related groups things like this. Actor Tom Selleck, I would say F you to anyone who wants Donald Trump too, and then ellipsis. So, really looking to get some bait here. The site, politicalfactors.site, was new to me. I went and looked at it. It's probably just a couple of weeks old, run out of Pakistan, if I'm guessing right, or somewhere near there. And we've already looked at this fake quote. We know it's fake because we've seen it back in March, and we made a video of it and put it up on YouTube. So it's in our celebrity quote file playlist on YouTube. We've actually debunked it, but I wanted to look at Linda. Who's Linda that she's posting fakery like this? Well, Linda's got something about Jesus on her page. I don't know that Jesus is going to be too proud of Linda when we're through here. And then here's something about Democrats and a profile picture, and that's pretty much it for her profile. So I went and looked at the photo comments, and there are a lot of photos that Linda has commented on, and a lot of them are centered in and around the Pakistan region. That's very interesting. So if I keep scrolling down, I won't see a lot of anything that looks like it's got anything remotely to do with the US or America or Donald Trump, just a bunch of comments on photos like these. And when I get down to this one right here, Syed Muhammad Ishaq's photo, and I look, here's Linda's comment. And then Syed says, "Thanks, Naseer Ahmed Khan." Oh, but wait, that you hover over that, and that's Linda. Gotcha. Another one found, and not too easily either. It took a lot of scrolling and checking all those photos to find this tag, but I did. And so that's more proof that you have Pakistan tied to sites like this, serving content through profiles like Linda into Trump-related groups. Come on, Facebook. If you think Facebook should clean this stuff up and get better at spotting fakes, share this video. We need these videos to get a larger audience to help put pressure on Facebook. So help us do that. Share this video and send people to like unfakery.